In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Looker Explore in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and take this step by step so that by the end of the video, you'll have a brand new Explore ready to go in Looker. First things first, you'll need to head over to Looker Studio. This is your central hub for all things Looker and is the starting point for our journey today. Once you've arrived, you'll notice various options and features available to you, but don't let this wide array of choices overwhelm you. We're going to focus on just what you need for this specific task. Now that you're in Looker Studio, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Explorer option. This is where the magic happens and where you'll begin to create your Explore. As you click on Explorer, you'll be taken to a new area where you can create a new data source, which is crucial for feeding data into your Explore. In this new screen, look for the Create New Data Source button. Clicking this will open another set of options and you can start seeing your Explore beginning to take shape. This step is where you define where your Explore will pull its data from, which is essential for getting the insights you'll need later on. After that, you'll need to click on the Looker option. We're not too far from the finish line now. By selecting Looker, you're specifying that your data source will be pulled directly from Looker itself, ensuring you have access to all its associated features and capabilities. The next step is quite straightforward. Authorize your connection. You'll see a button labeled Authorize, and clicking it is necessary to grant the necessary permissions for Looker Studio and your account to communicate effectively. Don't worry, this is a standard security step, and it's designed to protect your data and your account's integrity. The final thing you'll need to do in this process is to connect your Looker account. Similar to authorizing your connection, clicking Connect Looker Account allows Looker Studio to access and use your Looker data for creating Explorers. By doing this, you're ensuring that the data from Looker can be mined, analyzed, and visually represented in your Explore setup. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up a new Looker Explore. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with the software, the easier and more intuitive this process will become. Enjoy exploring all the insights you can gain with your newly created Looker Explore. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at navigating and using Looker to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.